The Elephant and the Sparrow. On a great banyan tree in the forest, a loving pair of sparrows built their little nest. The mother sparrow laid her precious eggs and sat on them day and night, dreaming of the beautiful chicks that would soon hatch. The father sparrow worked hard, bringing food and keeping watch. One terribly hot afternoon, a wild elephant came crashing through the forest. Maddened by the heat, he looked for shade under the banyan tree. In his rage, he grabbed a large branch with his trunk and snapped it off. The sparrow's nest came tumbling down, and all the precious eggs were destroyed. The poor mother sparrow escaped, but her heart was shattered. She wept and wept for her lost babies. Her dear friend, a woodpecker, heard her cries and flew to her side. "What happened, dear friend?" he asked gently. When he heard the terrible story, he promised to help her. The woodpecker took the sparrow to meet his friends, a clever fly and a wise frog. Together, they listened to her sad tale. "Do not cry," said the wise frog. "What is a mighty elephant against our united team? Together, we shall teach him a lesson." And they made a clever plan. The next day, the fly found the elephant resting under a tree. He buzzed close to the elephant's ear and began singing a sweet, hypnotic melody. The elephant had never heard such beautiful music. He closed his eyes in delight, swaying gently to the tune, completely enchanted. While the elephant's eyes were closed, the brave woodpecker swooped down. He pecked rapidly at the elephant's face, startling the great beast. The confused elephant stumbled about, covering his eyes with his trunk, unable to see where he was going. The plan was working. Now it was the frog's turn. He sat beside a deep muddy pit and began croaking loudly. The thirsty, confused elephant heard the sound and thought it was water. Following the croaking, he stumbled straight toward the pit. With a great splash, the mighty elephant fell in and could not get out. The four small friends celebrated their victory. The sparrow, the woodpecker, the fly, and the frog had worked together to defeat a creature many times their size. Remember, children, unity is strength. Even the smallest creatures can overcome the mightiest challenges when they help each other. Moral: unity is strength. Even the smallest creatures can overcome the mightiest when they work together.